If you believe washing your buses is just another operating expense, this video might completely change the way you think. Every day, your vehicles represent your company on highways, city streets, and in front of thousands of potential customers. Before anyone speaks to your staff or experiences your service, they have already formed an opinion simply by looking at your fleet. A clean, polished bus instantly communicates professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. A dirty vehicle, on the other hand, silently sends the opposite message, even if your service is excellent. That is why appearance is not about vanity. It is part of your brand value. Now imagine managing dozens or even hundreds of buses. Traditional manual washing consumes hours of labor, large amounts of water, inconsistent cleaning quality, and unnecessary operating costs. Over time, those hidden inefficiencies accumulate into thousands of lost working hours every year. Modern fleet operators are no longer asking, "How do we wash vehicles?" They are asking, "How do we wash smarter while reducing costs and improving operational efficiency?" The answer lies in automation. An automatic bus wash system delivers consistent cleaning quality, minimizes water waste, reduces labor dependency, and allows every vehicle to return to service faster. It transforms a repetitive daily task into a streamlined process that supports long-term business growth. The companies leading today's transportation industry understand that every operational improvement creates a competitive advantage. Investing in smarter technology is not simply about cleaner buses. It is about protecting your brand image, increasing customer confidence, improving staff productivity, and building a business that is ready for future expansion. The real cost is not investing in automation. The real cost is waiting too long while competitors continue moving ahead. If you're serious about improving your fleet operations and want to see how an automatic bus wash system can save time, reduce costs, and elevate your company's professional image, this is the perfect moment to take the next step. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with the size of your fleet, and contact us today for a personalized solution. The future of fleet management starts with one smart decision, and that decision could begin right now.